Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and have a great day. I am Dato Rusty Ibrahim Udak, and this is my explanation about the content of the poem of Dr. Jose Rizal. Content of the poem for me, On Mi Ultimos Adios, is a poem written by Philippine patriot and revolutionary leader Jose Rizal. It was written in 1896, just before his execution. The poem expresses Rizal's love for his country and his ultimate sacrifice for its freedom. The title of the poem, which translates to My Last Farewell, sets the somber tone for the piece. The poem is written in Spanish, which was the official language of the Philippines during the time of Rizal's writing. The text of the poem is full of powerful imagery, vividly describing the beauty of the Filipino landscape and the struggles faced by its people. Rizal also expresses his hope for a future in which his countrymen will be free and able to live peaceful, prosperous lives. The poem is a powerful testament on the strength of Rizal's character and his undying love for his country. Its impact has been felt throughout Philippine history, inspiring generation of Filipinos to fight for their own freedoms and independence. Overall, Mi Ultimo Adios is a deeply moving work of poetry that continues to inspire and resonate with readers today. And however, the meaning of my visual background is the Philippine flag symbolizes the sacrifice of Dr. Jose Rizal to the country, even though it brings death to him. The sacrifice of Dr. Jose Rizal moved the hearts and minds of every Filipino. Hence, they declare Dr. Jose Rizal as the national hero of the country. Therefore, Piso Coin embodies the contribution of Dr. Jose Rizal towards the country. And that's all. Thank you.